Let's learn cooking words with ATK Learning. Let's begin. Slice. Slice. Slice the cucumbers into thin round. Boil. Boil. Boil the water until it bubbles. Knead. Knead. Knead the dough until it's smooth. Pour. Pour. Pour the water gently in the glass. Bake. Bake. Bake until golden. Grill. Grill. Grill until it gets crispy. Fry. Fry. Fry until it sizzles. Peel. Peel. Peel the potato carefully. Simmer. Simmer. Simmer the soup on the low flame. Mix. Mix. Mix it all together. Grate. Grate. Grate the cheese finely. Pinch. Pinch. Add a pinch of salt. Serve. Serve. Serve the food to the customers. Melt. Melt. Melt the butter slowly. Whisk. Whisk. Whisk until it smooths. Blend. Blend. Blend until it gets creamy. Spread. Spread. Spread it evenly on the bread. Thanks for watching, kids. Hope you like our video. Like and subscribe to ATK Learning.